Hello again. As you can see by the picture, our male turkey here is all dressed up, chasing the female, all puffed up, and what the turkeys do for mating, and making himself beautiful and wow, mateable in the eyes of the female here. Uh, it really helped. Creating a new area for them and a new cage for them where they can get out and walk around and that. So, like I said, I'm sure the male is extremely happy here with his new environment and that. And chasing the female here. Just a little while ago, his head was so red and that. And like I said, that's what he does to make himself beautiful, and it's also a defense mechanism to make him look so much bigger than he actually is. But he's definitely chasing the female here, and we'll have to see if we get any results from that. So I thought I'd just see if I can move around here a little bit and show you a little more. Yeah, much better here. Yeah, he's looking so good. And that kind of got in between the netting here so I could take the picture. And trying to keep a little bit quiet so I don't scare him at all. But yeah, he's definitely on the prowl here. And that's good. That's good. See if we can get maybe a few eggs and maybe some turkeys here. They've been cooped up so long in a small cage, and I'm sure they're absolutely loving their new home here. Can be seen. I haven't seen them prowling around like this for quite some time. So good to be. Yeah, they're enjoying themselves. So I'm gonna let everybody go here. Just thought I'd throw this in real quick and that and. Another success here. Hopefully they'll mate. So goodbye for now, and we'll be back soon again.